In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a full website for your wristwatch brand. It's very simple. All you need to do is to stick around to the end of this video to watch this video carefully. Alright, so you can see these are the templates available for you to build your website. I'm going to attach it to the description button below. Alright, so I'm going to come over to Google Flow, where we are going to animate our image, right? So the image you see from the template, I'm going to come over and upload it to Google Flow and animate it, right? So after animating it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it to video, right? So it's just like the previous video I made on how to build a website for football, for anything, right? It's the same thing we're going to do for this as well. So I'm going to come over to animate this wristwatch, right? And the prompt is already in the template, so just go and copy everything and bring it right here and paste it, right? I want to make this video as fast as possible. Alright, so after doing that, we're going to wait for some seconds for our video to be ready. So once the video is ready, all I'm going to do is just let me first approve this right here and tell it to generate it, right? So after generating the video, we can now download it and do as we always do, right? So you have to watch this video to the very end, because the last part is the most amazing part. That is where we are going to host our website for free. So you are generating this website from scratch, totally for free, without paying a dime. Alright, if this is the first time coming across my YouTube channel, welcome to David Creative Lab, and this is a channel where I upload amazing content like this. Alright, so now our video is ready. As you can see how beautiful it is, right? So now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come over and copy this video, right? I'm going to come over and copy this video, and the next thing we're going to do is to come over to our Google AI Studio. And when you come to Google AI Studio, let's upload the video that we just downloaded from Google Flow, the video we just generated, right? So I'm going to come over and upload the video right here. Immediately after uploading the video, what I'm going to do next is we are going to give it instruction of what to do. Please, I want you to pay close attention to the instruction I'm giving you right here, because if you do any mistake, you might miss it, right? So now I'm going to upload it. Let's try uploading that. Let's make sure that it's uploaded successfully. So I'm going to try uploading it again and see how this is. So this is super amazing and super easy. You can also try it. It's totally free, right? So I'm going to come over to the next part and copy the prompt for generating the website, right? So I'm going to copy the prompt, everything right here. Don't worry, I am going to attach it to the description button below, so you can check it there. Now, as you can see, I've pasted the prompt right here and I've given it command like let's run it and build our website, right? So I'm building already. Let's see, the template is going to give us, the website is going to give us, and trust me, it's going to give us amazing website, amazing website. As you can see, our website is ready, and this is super luxury. Like, this is super luxury. But if you notice something, the video we generated did not appear right here. That is because we need to get an embedded link, right, before our video can appear right here. And as usual, you know how we do that, right? But let's go straight. For those that are just joining this video for the first time, joining my channel for the first time, let's go back to let's go and open. But before I open anything, I want to show us mobile view and tablet view of this website, right? But anyway, I'm going to come over back to that place. Let's come to where we're going to embed this link. Come to Cloudinary and upload the video. Once you upload the video, you are going to come over and copy the link right here. After copying the link, you come over to your Google AI Studio and upload it to your Google AI Studio, and you give it the prompt to tell it what you want it to do exactly, and this Google AI Studio is going to follow your prompt and give you exactly what you want, right? So now let's do it and click on send. As you can see, let's check if there is any other error that we need to fix right here, so that we can upload everything once and for all and tell it to do it, and it's going to fix it without wasting our time, right? So now let's wait and see the outcome. So I've given you the instruction. As you can see, the video is now appearing here. The video we just generated. Now let's open it in a very wide screen, in a full screen, and let's see. If you notice this part right here, just screenshot any part that you know that is not functioning well. You screenshot it and upload it back to Google AI Studio and tell it to fix it, right? So I'm going to do that right away, and you're going to see it's going to fix every part that is not working perfectly. So what I'm going to do, let's come over and upload it right there and give it the prompt. Give it the prompt, give it the instruction of what you need to do. In fact, you can even go ahead and instruct it to do any other thing you want to do, what is not done before. If you want to add any section, if you want to add contact, you want to add link or anything, you can just give it in the instruction and it's going to do exactly what you requested for. And trust me, the result, the output is going to amaze you. The output is going to amaze you, right? So now I'm going to click on send and wait for the output of what I want it to give us next. This tool is very simple and very amazing, and guess what? They are all totally free. They are totally free. You don't need to pay a dime. You don't need to pay to get this tool. You don't need to pay anyone. It's totally free. All right, so now we are going to wait for the outcome. Let's wait while it's generating our final output, and after finish generating the final output, you are going to see every part that is having issue. Everything is going to be fixed totally. Everything is going to be fixed totally. All you just need to do is pay closer attention to this video. If you miss any part, just go back from beginning and rewatch it again, and you are going to get the best part of this website development, right? You don't need to pay any web developer. All is right on your palm. You can do it right in yourself. I'm going to attach the link. As you can see, our website is fully ready and fully ready. All issues has been fixed already. All issues has been fixed already. So now that's how it's been done. Now the next thing we need to do, we need to launch this website. We need to host it. And how can we do that? You come over to this code aspect. Come over to this code aspect, and you're going to see a part where you see exports, right? You click on the export and click on download as zip file. So immediately after it download as zip file, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to come over to this. Let's confirm, okay, it has been downloaded successfully. You come to this website called Netlify. Netlify, I'm going to attach it in the description. So when you come over there, you sign up and then you upload the script, the code right there. After you upload it, then you leave it to do the work. Then it's going to host it for you. As you can see, this website is live now. Now, as you can see, the name given, it's not too nice, it's not too okay for us. We can just come over to this project overview, edit the name. After editing the name, then you are going to click on update project overview, and as you can see, if I refresh this, it's no more available. So I'll come over and copy, and that's how it's been done. All right, thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.